Forecast.
You're looking live at some hazy skies up above downtown Charlottesville as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. Some of those clouds are blocking that scorching July sunshine, at least temporarily. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be the potential for some soaking showers, but not until the end of the week. Now, the remnants of Beryl will never directly impact our weather. However, as it goes to our north, it will give us a southeast wind flow, and at the same time, a summer cold front is going to stall across the area, and Friday is the day to watch for the potential for at least an inch of rain in parts of the area. Details on that momentarily, but first things first, looking at this morning's sunrise, a glowing sunrise over the Blue Ridge Mountains thanks to Patty Dove at Bridgewater in Rockingham County for that beautiful snapshot. You can see many more of these over at 29news.com in the weather section. In that first forecast for today, temperatures on the hot side, no doubt about it, reaching the 90s, a little bit hotter than yesterday, and also more importantly, more muggy. Daytime highs well in the 90s. In fact, it will be hot enough that we're going to have a heat advisory, says the National Weather Service, for officially Culpeper, Orange, Madison. This is the corridor most likely to have the heat index of 105 degrees by mid-afternoon. The rest of the area, the heat index will top out near 100 degrees by mid-afternoon. It's already feeling like 100 at Luray, almost 100 degrees right now with the heat index at Culpeper. But some extra clouds, as we saw on the weather cam, keeping us a little bit lower for most of the rest of the area. And look at this, our Doppler radar network is showing a couple of spotty showers into areas of Buckingham County, south of Dillon, so especially Southside Virginia. This area is most favored to see a couple of splash and dash showers and thunder showers, but I'm not really impressed with our rain chances, at least in the short-term outlook. So this evening, 5 p.m., a couple of rogue showers and downpours across the region. They will fade away after sunset. It's a quiet start to Tuesday morning, Tuesday midday. By the end of tomorrow, another chance for a couple of showers and storms, especially for the Shenandoah Valley, as we'll see some of them come off of the Allegheny Highlands. And look at this. Here's what was Hurricane Beryl. It came ashore in the middle part of the coastline of Texas, and now it's moving north of Houston with a tornado and a high wind and flood risk. Now, the main track stays well to our northwest, and it will weaken into a tropical depression as it heads towards Ohio and Michigan by the end of the week, by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So for our area, that was going to give us a southeast wind off of the Atlantic. That cold front will begin to stall across the area, and that's going to give us perhaps an inch or more of rain, and most of that will fall on Friday. There's the heaviest chances for rain on Friday, widespread, and then the heat wave breaks temporarily on Friday, low 80s, and then thereafter it gets hot again. Your forecast today, in the 90s, hazy, hot, and humid, a stray storm chance. For tonight, it'll be mild and muggy with lows by dawn in the steamy 70s. Your Tuesday forecast, the hottest day of the week in the 90s, tropically hot, a spotty storm chance, 7-day forecast. Isolated storm chances Wednesday, Thursday in the low 90s, low 80s Friday with a pretty good shot. Right now it looks like some beneficial rainfall around the area. Jared?